Therm 602 is a one-coat, thermally conductive dielectric coating for cold plates. Our 100% reworkable coating is spray-applied and cures in seconds with ultraviolet light. EV Therm 602 can also be applied to cooling ribbons to isolate from battery cells, preventing short circuits and reducing the risk of high-voltage leakage. EV Bond 775 is a spray-applied reactive hot melt that offers high green strength for immediate handling, processing, and testing. Battery manufacturers use it to attach cells to cooling ribbons, achieving reduced cycle times and failure rates when compared to 2K adhesives and tapes. Our patented line of EV Protect foam encapsulants help prevent thermal propagation in packs. Their flame-retardant, lightweight nature, combined with varying levels of structural rigidity, allow customers to eliminate structural components, leading to a lighter, safer battery pack. EV Seal family of sealants protect batteries from environmental debris, remain flexible to accommodate thermal expansion and vibration, and allow for re-entry. EV Bond 775 can also be used as a processing aid to attach mica sheets to battery lids during production. This material can offer around a 5% improvement in failure rate when compared to PSAs and tapes. It can also reduce the time and cost of manufacturing and logistics by being integrated to in-house production lines.